Hello students, today we will discuss here the singular and plural nouns. When we talk about a person or an animal or a place or a thing, we use singular countable nouns. But when we talk about two or more persons, animals, places or things, we use plural countable nouns. Plural nouns usually end with s or es. Here we are going to discuss about the plural and singular nouns of 25 words. Let's start now. Here one bird and plural of bird is birds. One dog, many dogs. So plural of dog is dogs. One cat, many cats. So plural of cat is cats. Pen, plural, pens. Pencil, plural, pencils. Bag, plural, bags. One book, two books. So plural of book is books. One car, two cars. Plural of car is cars. One chair, two chairs. Plural of chair is chairs. One cup, two cups. Plural of cup is cups. One key, two keys. Plural of key is keys. One spoon, two spoons. Plural of spoon is spoons. One boy, many boys. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Flower, flowers. One door, many doors. Door, plural, doors. Box, boxes. Here just look. With box we have added es. Bus, plural, buses. Dress, one dress, many dresses. Es is added. Cow, cows. Goat, goats. Fish, one fish, many fishes. Es is added here. One mango, three mangoes. So here with mango we have added es. Plural of mango is one potato, three potatoes. Plural of potato is potatoes. One tomato, three tomatoes. Plural of tomato is tomatoes. Just we have added es here. Student, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel for more such videos in future. Thank you everybody.